This is a video by Richmond. Today we are working on a Ford Focus. This happens to be a 2007 model. And what we're doing today is we are replacing a front wheel bearing. Alright, we're going to see if we can remove our knuckle from the strut assembly. See how chewed up that was? Look at that. So I would say that assembly is pretty trashed. The bolt is an 18mm head. Okay, there it is, all off. Alright, there's a change of plan. I was told to keep the strut. So if you're doing the wheel bearing, leave the strut in the vehicle. Here is our new wheel bearing. New? Well, it's in good shape. Ready to go. All right, now. See these suspension bolts and nuts? It's a good idea to put new ones in if you can. All right. Now, this bolt right here is 111 foot-pounds of torque. Hey, geez, that's a lot easier to torque that on the bench. All right. We got that done. Let's put it in. Let's get our axle into the spindle here. Alright, I just put the pinch bolt on the ball joint in there. This is an important nut. You should put a new nut right there. Tie rod. Okay. Alright, we're going to tighten those up. We don't want to forget to tighten these three. 13 our stabilizer bar link right here. Of course, you probably didn't take the strut out anyways. But I gotta tighten it because I took it out. Alright, we're gonna tighten that now. Alright, rotor's on. Caliper mount is going on. The caliper back in place. Alright, now we just have to tighten those two bolts. Right, let's not forget to put our little clip back in place here. Alright, now little buttons back here. Keep our bolts nice and happy. Let's put our anti-rattle clip back in place here. Okay, looking good. Next thing we're going to do is take our new axle nut, put that on, and we're going to torque that to 199 foot-pounds. Now the manual says that to help torque that, you should have somebody step on the brake to help torque that nut. So that's what we're going to do now. Our tire is all in place. All we have to do is torque our lugs. Alright, as you can see, we are down off of the jack stand. We are on the wheel and the job is done. Not too bad, huh? Alright, so that's all there is to replacing a wheel bearing on your Ford Focus.